Today I'm showing you how to change the battery on the LiftMaster 878MAX and LiftMaster 877LM wireless keypads. I'll also show you how to remove them from the wall if they are already mounted. Before we start, here is the main compatibility difference. The LiftMaster 878MAX works with LiftMaster garage door openers made from January 1993 to today. The LiftMaster 877LM works with newer Security Plus 2.0 LiftMaster openers, usually the models with a yellow Learn button, made from 2011 to today. For this video, we'll remove the keypad from the wall first and then change the battery. First, open the top cover of the keypad. Next, look at the bottom of the unit and locate the battery compartment. Press the tab and slide the battery cover down. Once the cover comes off, you'll see the battery inside. Carefully remove the battery from the compartment, but don't disconnect it yet. Behind the battery, you'll see a screw inside the battery compartment. Use a screwdriver to remove that screw. After the screw is removed, place the battery back into the compartment for now and close the battery cover. Now, slide the whole keypad upward, then pull it toward you. There is usually a hidden mounting screw holding the keypad to the wall, and sliding it up will release the unit. Once the keypad is off the wall, it will be much easier to change the battery. Carefully unclip the old battery wires from the battery. These keypads use a standard 9-volt battery. Take your new 9-volt battery and connect the wires the same way they were connected to the old battery. Now, place the new battery back into the battery compartment and close the battery cover. To reinstall the keypad, hook it back onto the hidden wall screw and slide it down into place. Test the keypad to make sure it works, close the top lid, and you're done.